Hello and welcome to Daily Smart Tips. Over here, we share with you knowledge and experience on how to go about your smart devices as well as your frequently used applications and platforms. So make sure that if you are new here, you check out our content and also you subscribe and stay connected with us. Even as we learn from each other, we would encourage that you would also indicate under every tutorial your thoughts and also what you also want to share with us, and we'll be glad to also learn from you. Okay, so in this tutorial we're looking at how to add AdSense codes into our WordPress posts. Okay, so something like this: assuming you are writing a post, you are writing an article or anything at all, how you can insert ads, okay, within the post so that they can display around or within your post. All right, this will help you increase your revenue, okay, because it will drive more clicks, it will earn you more clicks depending on what kind of ads it is being displayed on your blog. Okay, so basically this is actually my blog. One of my blogs is actually called Financial Freedom Community. We share resources and ideas on how to get better in terms of finances. So I would encourage that you give it a check. You check it out to see if you might find something which would interest you. Actually, we've got a great stuff. We've got a lot of stuff here. We have a library where we have books, we have free courses, we have useful applications, daily inspirations, article, quotes, and what have you. We have, business. Under business, we have investments, stock and trade. We have a whole lot of things. Okay, so check it out. I've linked the address in the comment section, or you can simply check it as fsquarecommunity.com. That is Financial Freedom Community. Okay, so basically that is that for now. All right, so straight up to what we're looking at. So let me log out of my dashboard. Okay, so the first thing is to log into your WordPress admin dashboard. Okay, log into your WordPress admin dashboard. I believe that at this stage you already have an AdSense approved account, because that is where we are going to copy the codes from. So if you don't have AdSense approved account, go ahead and sign up for AdSense account, and then you would apply it with your site, and Google will scan your site to see if it meets their criteria, and if you're good to go, they will approve it and you can start using their codes in your site. Okay, so this is my WordPress admin dashboard. So let us quickly go ahead and add new post. Okay, let's go ahead and add new post. In order to save time, I've drafted an article that I'll be using for this. I have a small article here that I want us to use for this purpose, so that I don't go about taking much of your time. All right, so quickly, let's go ahead and then copy what I want to post. Let me copy something here for that purpose. Okay, so I've copied this. Let me copy the title to how to control your spending habit. Let me copy that too. All right, so let me head on to my new post dashboard and begin to paste what I just copied. Okay, so the first one is the title. Let me paste the title here. Okay, so that is that. I just pasted what I copied into the section. All right, so like I said, at this stage I assume you already have an AdSense approved account. So let's head on to our AdSense approved account, and then you go to ads. You go to ads, and then you go to by ad unit. Okay, by ad unit. Over here we have some suggested format which you can select which one. That we have some suggested ads that you can select any of them and then work with. Okay, but in our case I want us to work with the display ads, but you can check the other ads too. We have the native ads, what have you, in feeds, in articles, multiplex, and what have you. Okay, but I want us to work with this. The reason I want us to work with this is that it's very responsive and it can adapt itself depending on the space and where you would paste it. Okay, so over here we have the style, we have the square, we have the horizontal, and then we have the vertical. Okay, so you can choose the style. If you want it to appear in a vertical form, you can choose this side. If you want it to appear in a horizontal, likewise that of the square. Okay, in my case I want to select the horizontal, and I wouldn't want to create a new ad because I have several of them. Okay, but I just want to show you how you can create the ad in case you want to. Okay, so the moment you select this, the size or the type of ad, you need to add the name here, and then you go ahead and create on create. Okay, I have several of them, so I want us to quickly copy some of the ads I have already created. Okay, so some of the ads I've already created are down here. Okay, so I will just copy the code. I will just copy the code. All right, I'll copy the code and then head on to my post. All right, so over here you need to identify where you want the codes to appear. You need to select where you want the codes to appear. You want the ads to appear within your post. Okay, so for instance, I want my codes to I want ads to display here. So what I need to do is that I need to hover the mouse and then click on ad block. Okay, click on ad block. I want to insert the ad in that block. Okay, so when the search appears, start typing HTML, and you see this one pop up, custom HTML. Don't forget that the AdSense codes are HTML codes, so they need to be put in HTML tags. Okay, so putting them in HTML, custom HTML, you know, that snippet will help you get it easily. Okay, so let's paste the code we just copied. So we have posted the codes here. You can go ahead and also select another place where you want the next ad to show. Okay, you can go ahead, click on the custom HTML, and you paste the code there. Okay, you can go ahead and continue to paste and paste and paste, but make sure that you don't overdo it. Okay, make sure that you don't get your your readers bored. All right, so I believe I can insert one here. At least 3 of them is not that bad. Okay, all right, I believe by now you have already selected your category for this post and what have you. Okay, if you haven't done that, you need to select the category that you want this post to appear. This one in my case is article. Okay, so I put it there under the article category, and I would also go ahead and then set a featured image for that. I want an image to show on this article, so I'll go ahead and select the image and then upload it onto the article as a featured image. Okay, so once you do what you are done, you just go ahead and click on publish. Click on publish to publish your article. Click on the publish to publish whatever content is it that you just created. Okay, so once the content is published, I want us to go ahead and view the post to see how it would appear. Okay, so this is our post, and let's wait for the ads to load. Let's wait. Okay, it is loading. So as you can see, these places have been left blank because that is obviously where the ads are going to show. I think it is still loading. Let's give it some time to see if it will show or not. All right, so as you can see, the ads are showing now. You can see, yeah, so the ads are showing now. After a while, the ads have started displaying in the post. As you can see, this is the post we just created, that is understanding your spending habits, how to control your spending habit. You can check out this recommendation on my blog, okay, or the things you can do to cut down your spending habits and other stuff. Okay, so basically that is how to go about it, how to insert ads in your you know post. Okay, so you can give it a try, which I believe it will work. But let me know if you try and you have any difficulty. Let me know and I'll be glad to respond to that in a comment section. Then again, don't forget to subscribe to the channel Daily Smart Tips, because you've got a lot of contents out here and a lot on the way that we want to share with you. So make sure that you connect with us and let us learn together. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you found any value. Also, if you see anything on my blog that you wish I could talk about it, just indicate it in the comment section and I'll be glad to talk about it. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you subscribe and indicate your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you so much.